In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best amp for component speakers. So let's get started. Number 7. Boss Audio Systems PV3700. If you're looking for another budget-friendly option, consider this 5-channel amplifier from Boss Audio. It's a full-range amplifier, meaning it can run your speakers and subwoofer. The unit features a variable high and low-pass crossover that minimizes distortion, and a bass boost for enhancing low frequencies. It also comes with a remote subwoofer control, so that you can adjust the bass output. Generally, this amp delivers 3,700 watts maximum power that can power 2 ohm speakers. 4 channels provide 413 watts RMS power, and the 5th channel, ideal for a subwoofer, can push out 1,125 watts at 2 ohms. It can also be bridged with another amplifier to power 4 ohm speakers. One interesting feature is the amp's multi-LED backlit illumination that provides visual appeal and enhances the entertainment experience. Number 6. Pioneer POG Md8704. This 4-channel amplifier boasts of compact size and therefore can be installed almost anywhere in your vehicle. It pushes out a maximum power of 1,200 watts and is designed with a stable circuitry that can power 1 ohm speakers and subwoofers. It's also a Class D amplifier, meaning that it's power efficient and has better power output than most Class AB amplifiers. Pioneer includes a protection control system, which is a technology aimed to prevent overheating. Basically, integrated sensors in the amplifier can detect when the system is overheating and will automatically adjust the power input level to moderate the temperature. Also included is a built-in, variable low and high-pass frequency that is adjustable from 40 to 500 Hz. Number 5. Rockford Fosgate R500 XD. Rockford Fosgate is one of the most respected manufacturers in the car audio industry, especially when it comes to building high-quality amplifiers. The Rockford Fosgate R500 XD is no different. This amp is designed explicitly for deep-hitting subwoofers and can be used in both cars and trucks. The best feature in this amplifier has to be the sound quality. It also has a durable, unique aesthetic look. There's hardly any clipping or distortion with this car amp. It also has an impressive cast aluminum heat sink. Amplifiers produce a lot of heat, but this amplifier rarely runs hot due to thermal sensing technology. It's the perfect amplifier for endurance. Number 4. Boss Audio Systems R1100M. Our first recommendation from Boss Audio is the Riot Monoblock Power Amplifier. It's available with various maximum power outputs, ranging from 1,100 watts to 3,400 watts. These are 1-channel amplifiers with MOSFET power supplies with high and low-level inputs, variable low-pass crossover, bass boost, and remote subwoofer control. The Riot series amplifiers are ideal for first-time car audio buyers looking to enhance the sound of their stereo or to add bass to their system at an affordable price. These amplifiers are designed to power subwoofers, so they perform as they were meant to. A wired remote allows for easy control of the subwoofer level, so you can customize the output for superior sound. The variable low-pass filter gives you control over the frequencies that pass through to the subwoofer. Number 3. Boss Audio Systems AR1500M. Another line of amplifiers from Boss Audio come in the form of monoblock and 2-channel, with power output ranging from 1,200 watts to 2,500 watts. The 1,200 watt 2-channel amplifier has max power of 600 watts at 2 ohm by 2 channels, or 300 max power at 4 ohm by 2 channels. It can also support up to 1,200 watts max bridged power at 4 ohm by 1 channel. The other 2-channel amp offering in this lineup is a 1,600 watt unit with 800 watts max power at 2 ohm by 2 channels, 400 watts max power at 4 ohm by 2 channels, and 1,600 watts max bridged power at 4 ohm by 1 channel. Number 2. Rockford Fosgate PBR300X4. Rockford Fosgate's Punch BRT lineup features mono, 2- and 4-channel 300-watt amplifiers. These are ultra-compact amplifiers designed to save you space while offering decent power for your stereo and come with a 1-year limited warranty. The mono amp has MOSFET output stage, a 12 dB/octave Butterworth crossover, as well as high and low-level inputs. It is rated at 300 watts at 1 ohm RMS power rating, or 150 watts at 2 ohms, or 75 watts at 4 ohms. The 2-channel amp also features MOSFET output stage and a 12 dB/octave Butterworth crossover, with rated power of 100 watts x 2 channels at 4 ohm, 150 watts x 2 channels at 2 ohm, or 300 watts x 1 channel at 4 ohm bridged. Number 1. Planet Audio PL3000. More affordable options are available from Planet Audio, a company founded in 1997 by a group of business-minded car audio enthusiasts. Planet Audio's focus is to provide outstanding car audio products that are powerful, valuable, and appealing without necessarily being expensive. The company is headquartered in Oxnard, California, and has since grown from manufacturing amplifiers and car speakers to subwoofers, in-dash, overhead, and headrest mobile video products. Planet Audio has a very comprehensive lineup of amplifiers, so if our 2 picks don't fit your needs, make sure to look at the rest of the company's products.